What's going on? This is Kareem from DJBooth.net, and I'm here to give you guys somewhat of a quick public service announcement along with a semi-quick review. You guys know that I love Orbit Concepts bags. We have bags that are thin and easy to work with. We have really big bags. We have the backpack, the Prime backpack. We also have the Portabilist bag that they also made here. And lately, I've been using mixers that are bigger than the other mixers that I've been using in the past, like the Z2 and the DJ-MT1 and the Mixars Duo. Those mixers can all fit inside of the regular Jetpack Prime backpack, but I needed a backpack that can hold the bigger mixers that I'm using now, like the Rane 72 and the DJM S9, or even that new Rane 70 that was just announced last week. And the bag that you want to do that with is the Prime XL backpack. This is the Orbit Concepts Jetpack Backpack XL Edition. And unfortunately, the public service announcement of this video is saying that these are no longer going to be available. So if you guys want to go get one of these, as soon as that manufacturing run stops and they have no more, they're not going to make these anymore. They're going to be replaced by a new style bag. So right now, you guys can go to the website, go get your Jetpack Backpack XL if you have one of those bigger mixers and you want a really big, tough bag that can handle all that you're going to need for your gigs. You can put all of your vinyl in here, all of your accessories in here, and let's just show you what we got in here now. While I did not have the Jetpack XL, I actually had to use the Portabilist one that also has a lot of space in it in order to transport my DJM S9 and also the 72, the Rane 72. It protected it well, but as you can see, it took up almost all the space in the bag, so I didn't have much room for anything else. This is better suited for your PTO1 Scratch and the newer Reloop model that just came out. So put this to the side for a second. Right now the focus is the Jetpack Backpack Prime XL. This is in black, of course. Again, they are built very, very tough. They have a lot of different compartments here. All the zippers are super, super rugged, and I've never had anything bad happen to an Orbit backpack that I've had before. None of the zippers ever gave way. I actually still own all of the others, and I gave some of them away as gifts to my brothers who are also DJs, but they still have theirs and they're still in pristine condition. So let's see what we got in this bag. Right off the bat, you have two side pockets, so you can put a lot of different cables and things like that in there. Then you also have your front pouch pocket here that can be customized. They can put a logo or something like that on the outside of this if you want for an additional charge. They have a nice zip pocket here. You also have an area for your business cards or for an ID card there. And you have a section in here that you can hold a mixer or whatever you want to in there, maybe laptop. Close this section up. The next middle section we're going to save for the end, but you have a rear section as well that can zip off, and you can hold your control vinyl in here. Your control CDs comes with a CD pouch, and you can also put a tablet in this little spot here. That'll be close up to your back. The back has padding all throughout. Nice and comfortable. You also have a pass-through sleeve here, so that way you can hook this to your trolleys. It's a lot of padding as well on the actual shoulder straps. They're fully adjustable, and you also have that clip here in the front, so that way you can evenly distribute the load when you're using these on your shoulders. Next, we have the main middle compartment. In here, I actually have a full DJM S9 with the deck saver on it. And we also have the DDJ XP2 in here as well. And all that's nice and protected. And all that was able to fit in there. And there's still more room in here. I could have put more cables in here. I could have put headphones in here as well. I could have put other cables, everything else you would need for your gig. And you also have a nice little secret pouch here for your unmentionables or your USB sticks and your SD cards and other things like that. You also have another contact card here, so that way if your thing gets lost or misplaced, you'll know exactly which one is yours. So make sure you guys head on over to Orbit Concepts website. We'll have the link at the top of the video description. Again, the Jetpack Prime XL is only going to be available while they have their supplies now. So make sure you go and move now if you want to get one of these bags. I like them better than the other bags that are on the market. Again, the XL is what you're going to need if you have bigger style mixers and you want to fit them inside of it. Don't get the regular edition because it'll be too much of a squeeze and you won't be able to fit anything else in it. This is the bag you're going to need. These are going to be replaced by their new double bag system that's coming out soon. It's a trolley style bag, and another bag comes inside of that, so you're going to get two bags in one. That'll be able to fit all of your other big gear and your big mixers like the 70, 72, and the S9 as well as the Reloop Elite mixer. They're all going to fit nicely in this bag for now, but when the new bag comes out, this is going to be replaced by it, and then you'll have to go get that trolley system. So make sure you guys go and hit up Orbit Concepts if you want to get one of these Jetpack Prime XLs for your bigger mixers, so that way you can take everything else with you on the go at the same time. Hit the thumbs up if you guys like videos like this one. Make sure you guys subscribe so that way you know exactly when the next videos are coming out. And as always, thanks for watching.